Hello.
Hello, sir. How are
कैसे?
you?
I'm fine. How are
I
you?
am fine, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
Yes, I can hear you very well. Okay, okay. How are you, sir?
So how's the cinnamon?
Sir. It is nice, but too much we cannot eat that, no,
Yeah, not
because
too
of
much.
that
Just a pinch.
smell.
One
Pinch.
time, just
I
a pinch
added.
is fine.
Yeah, okay. You told no, you are taking it in tea. So in my house, we all are drinking that cinnamon tea only. So
Yeah.
all are telling, oh, Cyrus sir told us also. And that day you were eating jaggery also, no, sir? So now
Yeah.
after the lunch and dinner, I eat one piece of jaggery. So,
No, it's good actually.
No,
It's
it's
good.
like, yeah, yes, it's good. Iron, no, sir? It is good, rich in iron, I think.
Yeah.
So, like, you are reminding us what to eat. We know that few things, it is good, but we don't do that. So, when we see, it will be there in the mind.
Okay.
So we can remember suddenly the way you eat, no, it comes in our mind. Same thing. My actually in my house they are telling you want to talk like Cyrus sir only. So you are talking like him only. I said no. Simply you people are teasing me. Like true sir, but like what we are doing is completely 100%. I am following you.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so
Then that's
glad.
when also and then water bottle also I wanted to buy that this one deadlift you told no have to weight heavy lifts. So I wanted to buy. I went there. Then I was searching the bottle. You drink water, no? I was searching the same bottle. Then my husband said, "You ask which bottle it is. Afterwards, you search. Might be you're searching the same bottle what Cyrus sir is using."
Bot Bottle is bottle, it doesn't matter. Go for the
No,
steel
that's
one,
still
steel bottle. It's a steel bottle.
steel bottle. Okay, okay. It is
Yeah.
nice. Like when we see that, we too feel like drinking more water in that
Yeah.
bottle. No, it's very nice. So then I didn't get. I got one, but same thing. That sipper kind only. That opening. No, I got the same type of water.
Okay.
Then I drink the water. No, in my house they are telling, "Oh, Cyrus sir will drink like this only." You are really motivating, sir. Too, I am completely motivated.
Don't be too motivated.
No, but
Sadhguruji says
sometimes
too much healthy is also unhealthy.
no, I'm not too much healthy. Like I go out, I enjoy a lot. That day you told no, we can do
Yeah.
hookah also. Then I told my friends also
When
once
did I
in a
say
while we
hookah?
can do. No, you told no, sir. Once in a while we can do. No, I'm fond of that. I like that so. I don't know why. I really like that.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine.
So it's nice. Actually, it's nice. So I told my friends, sir told once in a while we can do. Actually, in between I stopped that.
Okay.
So I thought it's not good for lungs.
Yeah. Too
So
much
in
is
between,
really not good.
it's not good. I thought then I stopped it. Then that day you told no once in a while, no problem. So I told my friends 2 months once and 1 month once. At least once in a while we can go and have
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So actually that is the time pass. Whole week we work and once in a while we friends meet all our classmates. 1 to 7th we studied together. We all made a group here.
Okay.
So we meet here and we go there and we will have a lot of fun because all
Yeah,
our
it's
childhood friends, no?
this is what life is all about.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
6 days you work hard and seventh day go enjoy yourself, spoil
Yeah,
yourself.
we enjoy. Yeah, correct, sir. Once in a while. Yeah, correct. Sometimes, no, my friend says, when I do exercise and all, I'm very strict. Whoever comes, I will not get disturbed. That
Okay.
1 hour I am dedicated. So after that, if I enjoy a lot. That day, nothing. I'll eat nicely, nice food. That too, nowadays, you also told, no, sir, enjoy now.
Yeah, I mean, whatever
Like
you
that.
do, give
Correct,
your
sir. Correct.
100%. Even
Correct,
if
sir.
you're
Correct.
enjoying, go and enjoy. Forget everything.
Correct. Correct. We should not disturb anybody.
Yeah.
Ourselves, we can do little enjoyment also. Sir, then one more thing I wanted to ask that dumbbells, that rod you got, no, one that
Yeah.
silver color, that that is it has some weight, sir. But like how much kg it will be? Only that rod?
I mean, there are different kinds of rods. You'll find 10
that's what
kg, 15 kg, 20 kg.
Okay.
So
Okay,
take
if I buy
small
10 kg.
plates and rod,
Oh, okay. Okay.
like 2.5
If I buy
kg
the
plates,
Huh.
and then
Okay.
I do have
here.
here.
Okay, if I buy that 10 kg rod, after that I can buy that plates, no?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can,
sure. You
attach
can
the
always
plates
buy.
to that.
Start from
Okay.
2.5. Always buy in pair. The plates.
Okay.
The
Oh,
plates.
yeah,
Then
both
5
sides
kg.
you
Yeah.
can
5 kg.
buy. 5 kg,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Now, but for me, always weights is very difficult. When I was going to gym with equipment we do, no? Like sleeping and all, we will lift. That and all I used to do very nicely.
Okay.
But when I take dumbbells, I get here arms pain. It is too, I feel too difficult. I don't know why.
So make sure before workout have a good diet. Good carbs and protein. So
Okay,
this
sir.
will help. It will energize you. Or you can also have black coffee without sugar,
Okay,
without milk. It will energize you. Just 1 hour before workout.
Okay, okay. Before I was not having anything, just like that I was going for gym. So I was feeling very tired. After 2 hours, around 2 hours, I used to do like few floor exercise and cycling, that and all. Like, I was feeling very tired. After 2-3 months, I felt that I was feeling tired. So now I have started taking the protein. No, I did not know about protein. Like
Yeah.
we have that wrong thinking that if we take protein, not good for the kidney and all.
No,
We
no,
have,
no, no.
That's what I didn't know about all these things. Like we hear, no, what people says, we hear that.
Yes.
So once you said no, it is good. I have started taking that protein.
Okay.
Oziva plant protein I am taking.
Okay. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Yes, sir. I am taking.
And it also has
I-
a super green multivitamins.
Oh, I don't
That
know
all-
much about
that
that,
all.
sir. Okay. Now I have started taking. I have to see the almost over 15 to 20 days over. I have started taking.
Okay.
I have to see, sir, how. But now I am not feeling much tired because only yoga I am doing.
Acha.
So not feeling much tired. But gym we cannot go now.
Yeah, it's
So
okay.
weights
That's
is
why
okay.
I bought all the stuff. I can work out at
Even
home.
Suddenly at a stretch I can't buy so much.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
You can do all the workout with 2 dumbbells.
Yes, sir, correct. I want one, that deadlift rod I want to buy that. Sir, actually, how much it costs, sir? 10 kg rods and all?
Actually, the rod was for 2000. It's very heavy. It's 15 kg rod.
Okay,
But you can also get 5 kg rod and 10 kg also.
10 kg I can buy, no, sir?
Yeah.
Then when we do dumbbells, it will the arms will become strong, or for gents that arms will be there, no, sir? Like how that arms will come?
Actually, it will be stronger, obviously. Because you will have more strength in your body. So you can lift better. And you will burn maximum calories.
Okay.
Because you know what happened? Girls always think if they work out like guys, they will have muscle. But it's not like that. Our body is not like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I got very good gym trainer actually. He was too good. So he was teaching very nice. If we do properly, even they also will get motivated. That
Yes,
we have to
obviously.
do
Yes,
this
obviously.
Yes, he was always telling. You do sincerely, so I teach you. Like that, he was telling. So I learned lot from him. So that and all I am doing at home now. But sometimes these days, sometimes because of my work also started. So because of that, I'm difficult to manage both. So today also I could do only 30 minutes yoga.
Okay.
So today work was there, some computer work was there, so I was doing that. So, but if I don't come online also, I'll be thinking. Yesterday my work was there. Your Cyrus sir live is going on. My work is not.
No
finished.
problem.
I have to submit.
Your work is more important. You can saw the video later.
Yes, sir. But when we come here, we get at least 1 point. We get some or the other thing we are learning. Otherwise, at least your smiling face motivates us a lot. I always tell, always this person is smiling. Whenever we see, when someone asks you a question, if you don't like, you will do like this and sit. Everything I have observed.
Yeah,
It's nice. Your status, your that stories, everything really are motivating so many people. Good, sir. Great. I am come 100% motivated.
Okay, you keep working hard. I'll make a video on your transformation.
Sure, sir. Sure.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.